Your design could be the problem that you're not making money in print on demand, and today we will fix that cause I'll show you the best design styles or layouts that consistently sell. The first style is text on the right. This works very well if you got a long niche. For example, this design, women belong in all places where decisions are made, or this other sunflower design, very long sub niche. It's so easy to make something like this. I will just use Photopea, which is a free Photoshop alternative, photopea.com. Click on new project and make sure the resolution is 4500 by 5400 pixels, and I will change the background color here to black and click create. Alright, I will make a design example in this niche. Women belong in all places where decisions are made, with a sunflower graphic instead of Ruth Bader, this person. I personally don't put people in my designs even though they are public figures, I just avoid that. Anyway, I typed sunflower on Creative Fabrica to get some graphics, and I will go with this bundle. It have already a sunflower cut in half, that's good. And by the way, click the first link in the description to get a free trial on Creative Fabrica to download for free, and even if your free trial is over, it's only $5 a month if you get the yearly plan. Alright, to bring the sunflower graphic to Photopea, you just have to click this file option, then open, and just choose your PNG file. Now just drag it like this to the original project, and make sure to adjust it in the right place, like this. Now to add the text, click on the text icon and then click on this to align it and make the size bigger, and for the color, white for now. So let's type woman and make the text even bigger, and of course we can change the font from here, but Photopea fonts are not the best. You can of course upload your own fonts here. Let's first get some fonts from Creative Fabrica. Come here and click on fonts, then you can choose a style. I will go with the script fonts cause I want to make a design like this one for my niche, so I will download this one called Mismatch Socks. And now to upload it to Photopea, click load fonts and choose your fonts, and to find them search here mismatch and click favorite so you can always use them. Let's make the text a bit bigger, and to duplicate the text click alt and shift at the same time and drag down to type your next word, which is belong, and change the font to the other one, and keep repeating the same exact process just like this. Here you can also change the text color if you like, but I actually think the white color is looking better cause it's more simple. Now to save your design, first remove the background like this and click file, then export as and PNG, then click OK, and this is the design, looking very good and simple. The second layout or style is this repeating words. If you have a niche with one word or two or even three words, this design style is perfect. You can use one color or you can do gradient colors, and also you can go for a groovy style design. I believe the first two you can do them easily, that's why I'll show you the groovy one. So I will type a short niche, for example believe in yourself, then for the font I will download this one called Groovy Cute. I will link it in the description if you wanna also use it. Now click alt and shift, then drag the text like this and repeat the same process as you want. This is just an example, so I will go with just 2 times. Now to get the wavy effect, select your text and click on warp, then choose the flag style and adjust it as you like. 12 seems good here, and just do the exact same process for the other text layers. Now you need the colors, so let's say you want to use this design's colors. It's easy, just download this extension called the eyedropper and click on pick color from web page and select the color you want, and you will see the code of the color here, so copy it, then select your text and simply paste the code here and click OK. And the same thing for the other colors, and that's simply the design. Next layout is this one, a graphic between 2 texts. So you have a text with the arc effect, then the graphic, then another text. I will use the same niche as this example, so I got this unicorn graphic and I need to remove this text. So just use the pen tool around the text that you want to remove and click Ctrl Enter, and it will be selected like this, and just use the eraser tool to delete. Now add the text and choose the font, and for the arc effect click on warp, then the arc style, and adjust it as you like. I think this is good. And for the rest of the text I will put to be in this place here, then big sister in the bottom, and that's the design. Pretty good and simple. Next style is like the previous one but more simple for the short niches, a graphic and a text, and the text could be in the top or under the graphic, depends on what you like. And that's an example. By the way, this font called Kind Soul, I'll link it in the description if you wanna download it. Also here you can add the arc effect by clicking warp and choosing arc. This also make the design better. And the same effect you can apply it if your text in the bottom, but this time make the bend around -9 or 8, and this will look great on a t-shirt. Next style is combining the graphic with the text. Take this example, love first grade. You can see the apple is the letter O from love, and in the same time first grade written on it. So to make this same example, let's type love in this layout like this. By the way, this font called Waiting Summer, I will also link it in description if you wanna get it. Now to remove the O, first rasterize the text layer by right clicking, then rasterize, and use the eraser tool to delete the letter O. Now I added this apple graphic, and all left to do is add first grade to the design, just like this. But a quick tip for this type of design is you can make this text the same color as the background if you want. For example, here click Ctrl and the layer of the text, and you will see it's selected like this. Now click on the apple layer and choose the eraser tool and delete the selection. And if you hide the text layer, you will notice that the text will have the color of the background. I'll do the same process with the text grade, and now you can see I'm changing the color of the background and the text also changes. Anyway, that was the style of combining the graphic with the text. Next we got the retro style. This style sells on pretty much every niche. It could be only text with retro colors, or a retro circle or triangle or some other shapes as well. The text only, you know how to do it just by using the eyedropper extension that I showed you earlier to copy the colors. Let's then make an example like for this design, a camping crew. So I will download these two graphics, the retro circle and this design bundle. I want to take the graphic from this design and Meet Me in the Woods. Also I will use this distressed font. I will link it in description too. First I will cut this circle. I will only need the first half, so I will cut the rest of it. Next, this design, I will only use the graphic, so I don't need the text, and put the graphic just like this in the circle. So I don't like this kinda dark green color in the graphic. I wanna change it to black, and that's simple by using the paint bucket tool. Just make sure the black color is selected, then start painting over the dark green color, just like this. And this is looking much better. Now for the text, it's so easy, you know what to do. Just the arc effect will do the job, and also you can add some stars and change the colors if you want. So that's it for this video. I hope you apply these styles in your designs, and if you're looking for some niche ideas to design for, watch this video next.